Hey, before we get started, I want to just tell you, don't take advice from me on your financial advice. Talk to your financial advisor. Number two, have an awesome day no matter what. Don't let this stuff get you down, because you can just do what you can do and make good decisions with your financial advisor, and you'll be in good shape. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and let's go see what this is all about. Inflation. They said 7%. But I told you on the next video I was going to tell you about getting Bitcoins that are real gold and real silver. I would be buying silver, not gold. I'm going to put a link down below in the description to a website where you can order these if they still have any in stock. But is it a hedge against inflation? In 2018, gas was $1.99. In 2022, today I paid $3.39 at a discount store, but most places are $3.49. Now if I do my math correctly, and I don't even have to do math, but they're saying inflation is 7%. This is over 33%. It's like 35%, 40%. Where are they coming up with 7%? Let me show you some other items in Florida that we're paying an exorbitant amount of money for that is more than 7%. Now this is a story about a gas refinery explosion, and it's from oilprice.com, and I'll try to remember and put a link down below in the description. Hey, but while I'm reading this to you, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Okay, gasoline prices have risen 8 straight weeks according to new data published by GasBuddy on Monday. That was yesterday. 8 straight weeks of prices going up. And a major refinery explosion in New Orleans could threaten to send gas prices even higher. U.S. national gas line prices were on the rise early Monday, climbing 3.2 cents from a week ago to reach $3.52 per gallon. Monday, it's going to be another, they're going to add another, I hope you can see that over there, 3.2% up from here. So, I mean, that's more than 7%. I don't know where they're coming up with this 7% inflation. So if your household is like ours, we take vitamins. And one of the vitamins that we take, or my wife takes, it was 99 cents for a small bottle. Went to get them the other day, they only had 2 bottles on there, so we got them both. But they had risen to $2.98 for the same thing. 2 months ago, we paid 99 cents. Now it's $2.98. And so, I still don't know where they're getting the 7% inflation. So let's go on and keep looking. I just want to show you a few things so you can understand that they keep saying inflation 7%. That's nothing. 7% is nothing. So if you Google soup inflation, a lot of canned soup, according to U.S. Bureau of Labor, prices for soup are 262.98% higher in 2021 than previous years. Soup. What did it say? That's ridiculous. 262.89%. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor and Statistics, easy for me to say, prices for soup are up 262.89%. 262, and your favorite news media is telling you 7%. Let's go on and check some other stuff. I mean, I know this is getting boring to some people, and if you don't want to watch it, that's fine. But I'm just trying to educate you on what your news media is telling you and what is fact. And if they just go to the government websites, the U.S. Bureau of Statistics prices, you'll see that 7%, that's a lie. I had to tilt the camera down a little bit because my board's getting kind of long. I need to write smaller. But now I went and researched toilet paper. And toilet paper from September the 17th of 2021 has gone up 16%. Toilet paper, 16% up. But yet, your favorite news media is telling you inflation is 7%. It can't be 7%. If this is 16, that's 262, 32%, 3.2% up. It cannot be 7%. So if you're listening to the news media, you're seeing that they say 7% inflation. I don't know what math they're using. They're using that Common Core math, I guess they're trying to teach kids in school. But gas in 2018 was around $1.99 a gallon, and now it's $3.49 a gallon, and they say that there's going to be an increase of 3.2%. Vitamins, there's some vitamins we were taking that were 99 cents that are now $2.98. Soup is up 262.89%. If you go to your grocery store and you look to buy a can of soup, that's what you're going to be expected to pay. Toilet paper is up 16%. If you add all that together, it's a lot more than 7%. So I forgot where I was at, but anyway, I went back and checked. And $20 will buy you $5 worth of gas. It's approaching $5 a gallon, so it's going to 4 gallons of gas. Back in '77, a $20 bill would buy you around 75 to 100 gallons of gas. So the dollar has went down in value substantially. Gold in 1977 was $161 an ounce. If you would have bought a bunch of gold back then, today you'd be a millionaire, because now it's $1,900 an ounce. So if you'd have bought silver, which I'm a believer in silver, in 1977, you'd have bought it for $4.45 per ounce. Today it's $24 per ounce. These are spot prices. So as you can see, the price of gold and silver per ounce there's no comparison to the dollar bill or anything like that. The only way to make money is to have gold or silver. Now, Bitcoin is still being tested. The dollar has been tested and failed. It's destroyed. And we're $30 trillion in debt, and the dollar just keeps going down in value. How do you know the dollar keeps going down in value? Because you take $20 and you buy the same things that you bought a year ago or 2 years ago with a $20 bill, and you can't do it. You're going to have to take another $20 bill. You're going to have 2 of them to buy the same thing you bought last year at this time, unless, of course, it was gas, and gas 33 to 45% more, 50% more, depending on what state you live in and what state taxes you have on gas. So that's why I started out the video talking about Bitcoin. Whether you have gold or silver, you're going to need something to compete with your cash that you have on hand. You want to have some cash on hand because some places are going to continue to take cash for a long time, but eventually the government will change our currency to a cryptocurrency, and you're going to need a cell phone with this is going to be the way that you're going to use money in the future. You might as well get used to it and get started now, because there's no getting around it. The dollar is going to go away. They're going to be on TV one night and they're going to say, bring all your cash and your gold to the banks and put them in the bank, and we're going to exchange it for cryptocurrency, and it will probably be the USD. Let's see where it is here. This is a problem with phones. I hope you don't have a connection. You ain't going to do nothing. You're not going to buy nothing. You're not going to sell nothing. You're not going to talk to anybody. And this is the 5G, real fast, huh? Now, a lot of you don't know it, but there's already a cryptocurrency called USD coin, and there it is. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll paste it up over here. But its market cap is $52.7 billion, which is not much. The volume is 5.1 billion. The circulating supply is 52.7 billion, and trading activity is 61.3% buying and 38.7% selling. Typical hold day is 13 days, and the popularity is number 4 on the list. Number 4. Now, to me, because you're not going to make any money on this, it says earn 0.15% APR. I don't know anything about it. I haven't researched it. But this is one that's $1 per dollar, and you put your money in here, and you could use this as currency when you go into somewhere to buy something, or no matter what the situation is. That is going to be the currency for the U.S. eventually. When is it going to happen? I don't know. But the way the dollar is being devaluated, and gold and silver and all the cryptocurrencies are going up in value, and the dollar's going down in value, and all the products are going up in value. You got to have something to keep up with products, and the dollar is done for as far as I'm concerned. You can't buy nothing with money. It cost me $49 to fill up my minivan today, and normally a year or 2 years ago it cost me 25 bucks. I'd be excited about it. Now it's 50 bucks. That is absolutely crazy. So for all you working stiffs out there, what would you rather have? Silver, gold, Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, Shiba, or this stuff, which soon will be used for toilet paper? So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and you have an awesome day, because ain't nothing that bad. You go out and have an awesome day, baby. This is Harold signing off. I'll see you later.